You need to confirm the dates that everything needs to arrive. Many times you ship to a warehouse ahead of time, or you can ship directly to the location of the event. Either way, you need to make sure that your supplies all arrive on the dates that are listed for the event. It can be very costly if you go beyond those dates, before or after. It is important to have a master information list that can include contact information for all of your staff members, tracking numbers for all your supplies, locations of hotels, emergency contacts. Everyone should know the details because not everyone is at the booth all the time. And if you have all that information written down, they may never have to read it, but at least they have it. Every trade show does include a supply kit, and this includes anything from scissors to pens and knives, zip ties, first aid supplies. You need everything in there at some point in time, so if you have all that stuff handy, it can save the day. Sometimes it's nice to do little cheat sheets behind your display, things that'll list, what to do in the AM to set up, to get the booth ready right before it opens. Maybe some conversation starters, some phrases that are little helpers, so when your staff exits and goes around the back of your booth, they can take a look at that and refresh themselves and make a meaningful conversation easier.